All right, as you can see, I got salmon, fresh salmon. All right, we're gonna get this Lawry's herbs and garlic. All right, I like to do this, so marinate it. So I marinate it. You can marinate however you want, but we're gonna marinate the whole thing. I'll just throw in the whole bottle in here, right? And that's pretty much what I do to keep my salmon nice and moist and juicy. So when it's ready to cook, I'm gonna paint it with some little honey on it, some herbs and spices, and we'll get it going. But this will give just leave it there for overnight or a couple hours. And you should be good. So the salmon's in here. All right, today we're gonna make some fish, some side dishes, and so forth. But first of all, we're gonna make a sauce for our fish, all right? Our fish sauce, all right? We're gonna start with honey. We're gonna make a nice fish sauce, all right, for our topping, all right? Right now, you saw that I marinated the actual fish overnight, and we're preheating the oven right now for about 400 degrees. We're gonna turn it down, but first, we have our rice here. We're gonna put our rice to cook, and our rice is gonna contain some chicken bouillon. Chicken bouillon! This is a big spoon, so I'm gonna put half of this, not even half, maybe 1/3. That's it. On it. Cilantro. Cilantro. Put some cilantro in there. All right. Now what we're going to do, we're also going to put a lime, sorry. There we go. 2 of them in there. Two of them in there. We're going to do onion powder. This is on the rice, all right? Give it a good flavor. Garlic powder, just a little bit. That's it. Mix this up. Ooh, almost knocked the chicken bouillon. Mix it up. We're gonna add a little bit olive oil. And a little bit more water. It's not above the actual finger line like I always measure. So, but I always like soy sauce, so I end up giving it just, oh, that's too much, but it'll dissolve. Just to give it a little salty flavor. Mix it up. I washed the rice around 3 times, and you can actually see through the rice. Add a little bit more water. All right, we're gonna get our mushrooms. I'm gonna put these away too. Start cutting them in layers. We're gonna actually put some stuff in here right now in a bit, but first, must cut our mushrooms. All right, we got our mushrooms. We're gonna start adding them in here. Mushrooms go in here. Not this guy. Spread them around. Spread them around. All right. Got them going. Now we're going to actually start adding some more stuff in here. Brussels sprouts. You can buy fresh ones, but these were frozen. Put them all in here. Nothing goes to waste in this house. We eat them, leftovers. Spread it around. Adding a little bit onion powder. All right. And garlic powder. All right. Hosho sauce. Okay. Soy sauce. That's it. That's too much. All right, now we're gonna start doing the basting for the salmon that's gonna go on this side. All right, so for the salmon, we're gonna use Bogoli barbecue, and this is actually pretty good. It gives a good flavor. It has a lot of, not too much, all right? Just a little bit, maybe a spoon, all right? I'm going to use a little bit of oyster sauce too here and here. Just a little bit. Sriracha sauce. Make it a little spicy. Might as well. Alright, just a little flavor on it. It already has soy sauce, but I still like soy sauce, so we're going to mix a little bit of that. Now, we're going to use onion powder. We could use real onions, but it takes a long time to chop them. Alright, onion powder. Then we're going to real garlic. So like a spoonful. It depends on how you want. I love garlic, so I'm gonna put it like a bit more than a spoon. Now we're gonna add it. We're gonna start mixing it up. We still need more liquid on this, all right? So for that, we got a little bit, a tiny bit of water, just a little bit. Let's taste it with a pinky. Okay, that's actually pretty good. It needs more salt. So we are gonna do more salt. Pepper. Salt. Okay, that's good. And might as well put some cilantro in here. Make a good flavor. Optional, all right? Okay, that's ready. That's ready for 3 pieces of fish. We're gonna bring them out. Fish that I had marinated, all right? Bacon. Whole nother level right here. Bacon. Small pieces of it. This is gonna oil up the whole entire thing, all right? So don't add anything else. I was gonna put olive oil, but this is gonna give you a great flavor. Gives it salt too. Pieces of it everywhere. We're gonna save the rest of the bacon. We're not gonna do more. Just enough to spread the juices. All right, we're gonna try to add this fence in here, but it's too big. So I think I'm gonna have to do an optional thing. Raising it maybe sideways like this, probably like that. Probably the best thing. So because we want the fish to cook underneath, so I want to make sure that we're gonna go ahead and let me put some gloves on. All right, so fish facing up goes in there. All right, and it still has a skin. Oh no, this one doesn't have a skin, so we're gonna actually flip it. Better meat on the other side. It's been flavored already. Yeah, this in here. All right, I'm gonna add some juices on this. This is like the juices from that I got earlier. I'm gonna add this whole thing here. Get it some flavor. All right, got that. Now we're gonna baste these. All right, let me wash my hands a little bit. A smaller portion of it. So now that we mix it up one last time. Put this on top of this bag. Start washing them over. Now you're gonna repeat this every couple minutes, all right? So it could cook very well. Give it a nice little crystal look. Don't overdo it. This is enough for these 3. But if I had to do more, it's easy. You could just put it to more. All right. Move this a little bit more on this side right here. Okay, that's enough. All right, we're gonna put these in the oven right now and keep looking at them. All right, that's part of it. All right, so let's go ahead and put them in. All right, like I was mentioning, once in a while, take them out and start basting more base. All right, so add this down here, roll it out, and the fish might be faster done than the actual vegetables, so keep an eye on them. All right, we're going to turn it down to 350 now. So it's baked, but in the last minute, a minute or two, we're gonna broil it, all right? So that's what I'm doing right now. Broil for like a minute, and that's it. I'm gonna stop it. So let me go ahead and stop. All right, so here's everything that you guys see. Brussels sprouts with the mushrooms, bacon, and then we have a little bit of course, our rice. And then look at this. With the last minute of charbroil, it does this little corners. Beautiful. So, very simple meal. Hope you guys enjoy the video.